Hey, what's up guys? Carlo here, today with another copywriting tutorial to help you make more conversions without investing more in your advertising. So today we're gonna keep with the PowerWords training. We're gonna see the greed PowerWords. Those, you know what I'm talking about. Those money PowerWords, right? Money making PowerWords. They work, everyone wants to make money or save money, so they even work even if you do them again and again and again and again. Obviously they have gotten like a bad reputation for scams, for people that are over promising stuff but are not using them in the correct way. Somehow, even though they're so spammy, they always work. They're evergreen working as long as you're not scamming anyone, and as long as, even though the word scam, it's one of these ones, because it arises an emotion in you related to money, related to losing money. So use these ones in your copy, in your sales page, and see how your conversions go up just by a little tweak, guys. This is the idea of these power words, guys, that you can apply simple words and see how they can persuade more your audience. So let's start with, obviously, money. This is the biggest power word ever. You can see them anywhere, but you can even use it. Maybe you're thinking, okay, I don't like using these words for my copy because it doesn't apply to me, to my business. I don't want to be persuasive. I don't want to be scammy, right? But you can use them in a good way. You can say like, okay, how to make more money building up your blog, how to earn more money building a blog, doing this and this. It doesn't have to be rich, quick, fast, right? You can use it in a different context. Let's say a blog post or a post on Instagram. How I made more money blogging, how I made more money with my e-commerce business. You're not being so hypey, right? You need to avoid using too many of them, but you can still use them, because if you don't, you're leaving so much money on the table and you're leaving so much people out. If your true purpose is to help as much people as possible, you need to use these words in order to go massive, right? Not just to tens of people, but thousands. If you truly want to get their attention and you truly believe that your product is gonna help them out, you need to use some power words. Don't overdo them. Don't put like rich, quick, fast. It's gonna work, but we know the road that we don't want to go, right? We don't want to feel scammy, right? We're gonna go to the honest marketing way and side, because that's the long term, right? If you always are telling people like, yes, make a lot of money, rich, quick, fast, they're gonna get tired, because they're not gonna see the results. Most probable they're not gonna be millionaire overnight. So be real, say like, yes, you can make more profit, more money, but it's not gonna be this quick, right? Or might not work for you. So you can use them, get their attention, and then clarify like, okay, this works, this makes money, but it's a proven method, but it's not gonna make you rich quick overnight. Okay, so that's the difference. So now that we know the difference, we're gonna see them. Obviously, profit. Who doesn't want to make profit? Giveaway, one of the hugest words ever. You see them everywhere in Instagram. Everyone's doing giveaways. The problem about giveaways is that people are only interested in the free thing. There's a lot of people that just click, share, and like because they want that free thing. So you get like empty subscribers. But social media lessons for another video. Giveaway, really good one because it's things for free. Who doesn't want things for free, right? Obviously you like selling your information and your like and your subscription, but it's for free. Bonus, this works really good for any offer that you're making. One really cool trick that I'm gonna share with you guys is, let's say that you have a fitness offer, right? And you see your competitors and they are giving in their offer a workout from home, let's say like a 3 video workout from home, right? and they charge for it, and that's their main thing, you can go and say like, okay, I'm gonna give this the same thing, obviously kind of different, a 3-minute workout from home, but as a bonus. So you're giving the most like different thing that they have, the most valuable thing your competitor have, but as a bonus. So you're making a difference. And you're gonna see, guys, here my only purpose is to open up your eyes so you can see how this works, how these words works already in your life. I bet you that you open Instagram and you're gonna see one of these for sure, or Facebook, you're gonna see one of these words. So you open up your eyes, you see how they work in you, and how can you take advantage to use them, right? And don't fall in the trap of the words, because paper handles as much as you can put it, right? Nowadays is websites, but you can write anything about anything. You can make like this pen and say like, yeah, get rich quick money selling this pen, right? I could say all the words that I want towards this pen, so it doesn't matter the quality of the product. That's why I'm open up your eyes, guys, and you need to know, if you have an online business, how this one works and how they already working for you. They're already selling you all these things with these words. So make a conscious marketing and deliver what you promise. And that's the key for long-term selling, success, and recurring clients. Obviously, sell. It doesn't matter if what I was gonna tell you about the bonuses. You can even make your offer and they say like your offer has 10 things, and you can offer these 5 things and then say, hey, extra bonus, this and this and this and this. A lot of people do that. It's not a bonus, it's just part of the offer, but you tell people this is a bonus, so it's gonna make them feel like it's something extra for the money, and more powerful, even though if it's what the other person is charging for. So like, yeah, extra bonus, this list of PowerWords, and let's say that my competitor is charging for PowerWords. That's the thing. Sale obviously works very much. A lot of people even do sales, and it's just part of the price already. So it might be real, it might not. Fast, because people, we are always looking to gain pleasure and avoid pain, right? We're always looking to get things fast because we are creatures of pleasure. We want things fast, or most of the people at least. Rich, obviously, who doesn't want to? Money making, successful. You see, when you hear these words, you imagine yourself like, yeah, how would my life look like being successful, right? So the power of PowerWords is that they make you an instant mental image, and they arouse your curiosity. That's why we don't say like, yeah, someone that did really good in life, that had good results. We say successful. Can you feel it? Successful. I even get excited when I say it. And obviously 6-figure, one of the most common phrases nowadays. Everyone's talking about, yeah, 6-figure business, and maybe you don't even know how much 6 figures is, but it sounds good. It sounds better than saying like 100,000. So those are the power words for today, guys. Apply them in your business, in your post right now. And if you want to take this to the next level, grab a copy of my Crucial Copy Skills ebook. And if you want to see more of these free trainings in the future, subscribe down below. I make a daily video for 100 straight days, sharing all the value that I know about copywriting. Not an expert, not a millionaire, not a guru, just someone that obsessed with copywriting and found the true power of copywriting in online marketing. So I share everything that I learned with you guys for free. And if you want to take it to the next level, you know what to do. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.